everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly remarkable to introduce to you, the DK-1030 HTD Ultrasonic Cleaner. Let's dive right into the details. This model boasts a substantial 30-liter capacity and a powerful 600-watt motor, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning for a wide range of items. It's equipped with a time-setting range of 1 to 99 minutes and a temperature range from 0 to 80 degrees Celsius, providing you with versatility and control. Ultrasonic cleaning principle. Now, let's talk about the fascinating ultrasonic cleaning principle. This technology harnesses the cavitation effect generated by high-frequency ultrasonic wave vibration in the fluid. Tiny bubbles are formed and implode, creating intense scrubbing action on the surface of your items. Effectiveness. The results? Nothing short of astounding. This method excels at removing dirt and grime that would otherwise require tedious manual cleaning by hand. From jewelry to PCB boards, firearms to glassware, it handles it all with precision and care. Contents. Inside the package, you'll find the main machine, a soundproof lid for noise reduction, a reliable power lead, an outlet filter, and a convenient mesh basket for easy handling of your items. Safety precautions. Of course, safety is paramount. Keep the cleaner out of reach of children and avoid continuous operation for more than 1 hour at a time to prevent potential damage. Always ensure a minimum depth of 7 chem of solvent solution in the tank. Application. Using the DK-1030 HTD is a breeze. Simply set the time and temperature using the corresponding buttons. There's even a handy degas mode for optimal performance. After use, be sure to empty and clean the tank thoroughly for the next session. Different cleaning methods. Depending on your needs, you can use tap water for general cleaning, or enhance the process with a few drops of washing up liquid or detergent. For extensive cleaning, especially for non-plated metals, consider using a specialized cleaning solution in tandem with the ultrasonic cleaner. Warnings. A word of caution, steer clear of strong acid or alkaline cleaning solutions, as they can corrode the tank and machinery. If any unusual activity, such as sparking or unusual smells, occurs, cease operation immediately. Tips for optimal cleaning. For the best results, ensure items are fully immersed in the water, but do not exceed the maximum fill level. Warm water, around 50 degrees Celsius, and a small amount of washing up liquid will amplify the cleaning process. Avoid overlapping items and always use the provided mesh basket. Closing words. And there you have it, the incredible DK-1030 HTD Ultrasonic Cleaner. Remember, for the ultimate cleaning effect, we recommend maintaining a temperature between 40 and 60 degrees Celsius. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.